What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna make a vegan honey glaze smoked salmon using papaya. Alright, family, so for today's vegan salmon, we're gonna be using this papaya that I had in the fridge for a little bit. I think that it's best to use it when it's at its sweetest. Let's get into this. Let's create this vegan salmon. All right, family, so I'm gonna just slice it so I can create my vegan salmon. I'm gonna leave the skin on also. All right, family, so like so. All right, family, so there's our vegan salmon. So I have some seasoning right here. I got some kelp, some seaweed, and I'm gonna season it right here. The full recipe will be in the description below, family. So we're just gonna rub it in. Smells fishy already. Now we're gonna turn it and do the same thing to the other side. Family, so I have my papaya salmon. I'm gonna just grab it. So we want to place it just like this so we can get the beautiful grill marks. Alright, family, so I got my honey and my smoke sauce. I'm going to just pour some of that all over the salmon. It's going to be so delicious, guys. So delicious, so flavorful. That's that liquid smoke with the maple for the honey. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. All right, family, let's flip it onto the other side. Look at that. Look at how delicious that looks. Look at those marks. I'm gonna flip this side. Family, so now let's flip our salmon again. Ooh. There goes that beautiful grill mark that I was looking for. Woo! Yeah, family, you already know. I think these are pretty much done, so I'm gonna take these babies out. All right. Keep these babies out. All right. Here we go, family. All right. There goes our vegan salmon. All right, family. So to make the best asparagus, all you're going to need is butter, salt, some garlic powder. Saute your asparagus for 1 to 2 minutes and blad out. There goes your asparagus. So I had to do it. I had to use papaya to make smoked salmon. All right, family, so I got the grill marks. It is absolutely delicious. This is my third time making this. I haven't made it in a while, but if you are trying to impress a date and you're vegan, you could definitely do this. As you can see, I left the skin on. I washed it. This papaya is actually organic, so it is okay to eat. All right, family, so now let's chop into this and see what this salmon is tasting like. Ooh, look at that, family. And take this piece. Look at that, family. Wow. This is crazy, family. This actually tastes like a liquid smoke. I don't even taste the sweetness anymore from the papaya. It is absolutely delicious, family. Look at that. Go for this fish. This is absolutely amazing, family. Oh my God. Let's go for this asparagus. Let's go for this mashed potato. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys, and subscribe. And let me know if you're gonna try this vegan salmon recipe. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.
You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it like that. It's like every time the conversation changes.